Jamaica
couple
watch
of years
this.
ago, I thought that I was really ready to join the American Army. And the reason why I wanted to do this is because I just feel that I'm tired to live hand to mouth and I did need to like get some stability in a foreign. And I go through the whole process where I'm preparing, I lose 20 pounds, like my recruiter call me, I keep up with me. I do everything what I'm supposed to do to get ready. I get ready for ship off my son. You understand me for sending him go back to Jamaica because I say, listen, this is a sacrifice that I have to make and whatever. When I read the benefits, because I said, why? Even though the money not really enough, where you going to get the benefits, if you use the benefits to your advantage, you can really set yourself in America. And within the same time that I was really just preparing myself and everything, and my heart was broken. I was heartbroken because it's not something I really want to do. That's just not my cup of tea. You get me? But I kept praying and I just feel like, boy, I don't want to sit down and lay and I wait and then things don't work out. Or I really want it to work out. I better go do that and sure say I can set myself and set my pin a certain way in America. And within that same year, back to back, I get my first big contract where I start manage companies social media, which I won't mention here. I don't need to go down in that part there. And then I took my very first trip because I made a good amount of money from those companies, and I decided to take my first trip to China. I decided to take my first trip to China, and all of that happened within the space of like 2.5 to 3 months. I'm here to just say this. It's when you pray and ask God for things, get ready. Get ready, because he might just come right on time. It might not come when you think you need him, but you see, when a time for him come, when a time where him really knows you need him, he might come right through. May I tell you, I swear to God, I swear to be gonna be one army person right now. Yes, my dear. I may kill myself to lose the 20 pounds, and this is when I started to take like the injection, the GLP-1. That's when I do my whole GLP journey and whatever. Yeah, man, I prep myself to go turn big army woman, you understand? I'm like a short self. Anyway, God is good all the time. Stay blessed. Happy Sunday.